Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of crispy, healthy eats with a budget twist. We're checking out the top 5 air fryers under $70 in 2024. That's right, getting that restaurant-style crunch without breaking the bank. Number 1. GoWISE USA 1700-watt 5.8-QT 8-in-1 digital air fryer. This GoWISE boasts a whopping 5.8 quart capacity, making it perfect for families or those who love to batch cook. It's got a digital display with 8 pre-programmed settings, taking the guesswork out of cooking. Plus, it comes with a recipe book to get your creative juices flowing. My experience, I loved how spacious the GoWISE was. You can easily fit a whole bag of frozen fries or a good amount of chicken wings. The digital display was user-friendly, and the pre-programmed settings were a lifesaver. However, some users mentioned the temperature increments being a bit large, so keep that in mind. Number 2. Gourmia 4QT digital air fryer with guided cooking. The Gourmia offers a sleek stainless steel design and a 4-quart capacity. It features a digital display with pre-programmed settings and even throws in guided cooking prompts, reminding you to preheat or shake your food for optimal results. Like the GoWISE, it also comes with a recipe book. My experience, the Gourmia's guided cooking function was a nice touch, especially for air fryer newbies. It takes the pressure off figuring out cooking times and techniques. The size is great for smaller kitchens or couples. However, some reviewers noted the basket could be a bit deeper for better layering. Number 3. CHEFMAN Small Air Fryer Healthy Cooking 3.6 QT. This CHEFMAN air fryer is all about compact convenience. At 3.6 quarts, it's perfect for singles or small apartments. It features a digital touchscreen for easy control and a dishwasher-safe basket for effortless cleanup. Plus, it includes a handy recipe book. My experience, the CHEFMAN is incredibly user-friendly, and its size is ideal for limited counter space. It heats up quickly and cooks food evenly. However, as expected with a smaller size, you can only cook smaller batches at a time. Number 4. Amazon Basics 3.2 quart compact multifunctional digital air fryer. This air fryer from Amazon Basics lives up to its name, basic but functional. It has a compact 3.2 quart capacity and a digital control panel for easy operation. It might not have all the bells and whistles, but it gets the job done for a fantastic price. My experience, for the price, the Amazon Basics air fryer is a steal. It's a good option for someone who wants to try out air frying without a big investment. It's simple to use and delivers crispy results. However, keep in mind the limited size and lack of pre-programmed settings. Number 5. Air Fryer 5-quart Digital Display Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. This air fryer goes beyond frying. It's a 5-quart air fryer toaster oven combo, offering additional versatility for your kitchen. It has a digital display with pre-programmed settings and even comes with a non-stick silicone liner for easier cleaning. My experience, this air fryer toaster oven is great for those who want more than just air frying. You can toast, bake, or broil alongside air frying. However, it might take up more counter space than a traditional air fryer, and some reviewers mentioned the learning curve being a bit steeper due to the additional functions.